BIZBEE, founded in 2009, is a reliable and comprehensive wholesale supplier offering mobile device parts and accessories. With a group of professional teams, BIZBEE have built strong long-term partnerships with more than 10,000 customers and wholesalers across the globe. BIZBEE has rich experience in supply of high-quality mobile device parts and tools, accessories, and etc. NCC, a high-end flagship sub-brand of BIZBEE, provide high-quality repair parts for your mobile device. BIZBEE also provide multiple brands and products to meet the needs of different customers. BIZBEE's core value is to achieve customer success, and it helps us to establish strategic cooperative relations with customers. BIZBEE strive to become a client's reliable mobile device parts and accessories provider. We are eagerly waiting for the business partners. Welcome to visit us.